Yes, do you have the project?
Yeah, it's on my USB drive. Hold on. Hey. Hey.
Just go. You think that you wrong.
I got the USB drive. Got the project.
Oh, well, I actually have a backup on my computer.
Clean as Al, rain on soul chain, a gold chain remain to shine. Recite my lines. Anytime the mind will open like a girl hoping to get poked in. No smoke to choke.